Here I have Honor 10X Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable ringtone volume on this device. So if you somehow ended up with your ringtone volume turned on and you have no idea how you can turn it back on. So today I'm going to show you how you can do it. Just tap on any of volume buttons and the volume menu will appear. You just tap on the gear icon, go to the sound and vibration settings and turn your ringtone on like this. Be ready because it's going to shout a lot right now.
We are the brave.
And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.